video for the TD320 air tilt from Trailtech. Steps to do prior to using it to load equipment. You need to do the following steps. Step one is to open the hinge beaver tail, unlock it so that it will cause separation to cause a clean loading angle without a step. This is to comply to Canadian rear crash guard regulations. Step two is to open the two safety deck lock pins on the front of the trailer. Once they are pulled back and open, the trailer is ready to use. You open the control box. There is two handles inside and a check valve. You open the left hand handle. Trailer will start to tilt. The TD320 uses 4 airbags in the tilt. The TD220 will use 2 airbags. Once the system starts to charge, the deck will rise. Once the deck is starting to rise, the equipment could be backed off, or you could wait until it gets up to pressure, back off. You will see the deck start to lift as you're backing the equipment off. It'll stay into the tilting position. As you can see, as it tilts, the front 2 axles come off the ground as it is supposed to. As the beaver tail touches the ground, you will see separation between the beaver tail and the main deck at the back as the beaver tail hits. As the system bottoms out, the support at the bottom will also cause additional support at the back as you're loading to prevent damage to the axles. As you can see now, we're starting to get separation at the back as the beaver tail gets to the fully hinged position. As you drive on, you may see some more separation as you're loading and unloading, which is fine, as there is the support stand at the back, which will prevent the trailer from going over tilt. As the trailer is loaded and you need to stop the tilting action, you close the check valve, which will prevent the airbags in the middle from airing up anymore. There is also a safety cable to prevent it from going over center, which is a safety chain to tilt the trailer back down once you're loaded. There is a safety check valve that once the bags get to a certain pressure, it will come down. If your load is not heavy enough to crack that pressure, you take the handle on the right hand side and slowly release the air, and the trailer will come down back into the load position. Once the trailer is down, close the valves. Both valves should be in the closed position. Lock your deck pin safeties into the lock position. Lock your beaver tail, secure your load, and you're ready to go. There is no need to flip ramps, drop crash guards, or anything like that, because the beaver tail is the rear crash guard. You're ready to roll. That is the TD320 air tilt from Trailtech.